Hi, my name is Baloriak, and I'm here to teach you how to use the ListenUp app. Begin by tapping the plus button to create your user, then provide your name, age, and gender. You will be redirected to the hearing test view, displaying 2 ears and a play button. I recommend you prepare by going to a peaceful place where you can hear quiet tones, and remember, headphones are required. When you are ready, you can press the play button to begin your test. You may not hear much at first, but that's okay. The tones start very quietly and will gradually increase in volume. Once you do hear the sound, tap on the icon for the ear that you heard it in. After you tap, a new tone will begin, which will play at a randomly selected frequency and alternating randomly between your left and right ear. The sound pressure level in decibels was recorded at the time you tapped and will be 1 point in your audiogram, which you'll see shortly. Continue tapping each time you hear a tone. This test will last for 5 minutes. Then, you will be directed back to your new audiogram plot. Your audiogram is the sensitivity to sound in each of your ears as a function of pitch or frequency of the sound. The keys are included in the plot to help you to familiarize yourself with the data by referencing the pitch to octaves from middle C on a piano. You can tap or pinch on the plot to focus on specific points or regions in the audiogram. If you like your result, you can share it with your family or friends by tapping the button with the box and arrow in the upper right. Thank you for trying the ListenUp app. We hope this helps you to learn about audiology and your own ability to hear sounds in varying pitch.